Welcome to Rare ANZ, and today we dive into a question that every travel enthusiast has been asking. Is the 2025 GMC Savana truly the best camper van of the year? Let's find out. First, let's take a look at the exterior design. The 2025 Savana keeps its classic bold and boxy stance, but adds subtle refinements for modern van life. Its strong squared frame makes it highly customizable, perfect for long road trips and off-grid living. Wide sliding doors and tall rooflines give easy access and plenty of headroom, while the rugged front grille and signature GMC headlights give it a commanding road presence. Moving inside, let's start with the driver cockpit. The dashboard is redesigned with clean lines, a large digital infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and plenty of storage space for essentials. The driving position feels commanding, with a wide windshield offering panoramic views of the road. Comfortable captain's chairs with premium leather make long drives less tiring. Now comes the heart of van life, the rear luxury interior. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully crafted lounge space with plush sofas that fold into beds, LED-lit reclining chairs, and a stylish table that doubles as a dining or workstation. Ambient lighting runs along the roof panels, giving it a cozy, modern vibe. With mini storage compartments, hidden charging ports, and climate control, this is a mobile luxury suite ready for adventure. Under the hood, the Savana packs a powerful V8 engine, delivering smooth performance and reliable torque, perfect for hauling gear or towing. Fuel efficiency has improved slightly over past models, making it more practical for long journeys. GMC also offers advanced driver assist features, keeping safety a top priority. Now for the price and verdict. Starting around $42,000, and with conversion packages adding more, the GMC Savana camper van offers incredible value for those seeking comfort, performance, and versatility in one package. So is this the best camper van of 2025? For travelers who want strength, luxury, and endless possibilities, the GMC Savana is definitely a top contender. If you enjoyed this full tour, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Rare ANZ, and join us for more incredible automotive adventures.